You got a gimbal, that's tech. See these are nice gimbals. See, streaming tech. And look, in real time, this is how AI tracking should work. And you can see how, like, it's pretty smooth for the most part. Unlike the Zhiyun Smooth 5S, it wasn't smooth, it was janky. See how smooth it is? So now we gotta understand a comparison, because everyone knew my tracking feature on the Zhiyun Smooth 5S was good, but not smooth. But this is smooth. And I love Zhiyun gimbals. So I'm not hating on the gimbals, but I think just with a little bit of tweaking in the firmware, they can make it much smoother. That's all they have to do. All right, come back at 3:55. Hi.
How's it going? Zhiyun?
Yes, Zhiyun. I was just comparing your gimbal between my Smooth S5 AI, and we had issues with tracking.
Oh,
and I did live tracking several times just to prove my point why it needs a firmware update to make things much smoother. But see here, you guys have it much smoother as the camera's not jerking.
Yeah, Zhiyun has been having like a little bit of trouble lately.
Well, with the Pro lines, I don't have problems with.
Yeah, but these ones were like the older ones.
Yes.
So yeah, that's why. But yeah, this one for the tracking, human tracking is really good. So you can now do object tracking as well, because it has like a touch screen that you can select what you want to track. But yeah, I can show you over there the tracking.
Yeah, sure.
Were you in Las Vegas for
No.
the NAB?
No, I was. I wish I would.
There was a guy just like you with a kind of like a similar setup.
I think he wanted to be like me because
Nah,
he's probably part of my Panda Nation.
I see.
Yeah.
So this is the one. So same stuff. You do this gesture. Now it's gonna be.
Because I'm live right now. You can explain to the audience because that's what they're interested in. So.
Okay, so basically, so I'm gonna stop it now. So to activate the tracking, you make this gesture like this.
Right.
So now it's gonna be tracking me. So I can move around. It's gonna be tracking me all the way. So I can do it like quick. It's not gonna lose me. I can even go behind you. And it's gonna lose me right there. But now it's gonna be.
See?
Get back to me.
That's the problem we were having with the Smooth 5S tracking.
Yeah.
Where every time I went behind a tree, it lost tracking, but when I came out the tree,
I just didn't know where you were. No, this one is going to be more intelligent in that sense. And now you get this remote control over here. So you can see what it's tracking. So this is looking at this, right? It's the same thing. So the good thing about this is that you no longer need to do the gesture. You can actually do, let me stop it here. So you can actually double tap on the person. So now it's tracking me there. So the screen is also going to allow you to track objects and animals. And this, I don't know if you know this, this comes out.
Right.
So remote control, and all the settings are touch enabled, so you can turn on the light here and change the gimbal modes, right? And do other functions. Change the gimbal speed, change the joystick speed, stuff like that.
And I like how it's just watching you, steady, following every little micro movement that you do.
Yeah,
which
exactly.
is pretty good.
Yeah.
So that's what I like about AI stabilization and mind you, the gimbal.
Yeah.
Mind you, we don't disagree with your gimbal. I love their gimbals, but if I had a chance, I would second guess. I would have got this instead. But Zhiyun sent it to me. I tested it. I gave it. Mind you, tested. Well, how many times, everybody? We tested like 10, 12 times, and still there was no go. So we still love the gimbal. It functioned well, but we needed a full package.
Yeah.
So I'm telling my audience, get one of these. This is a full package.
Oh yeah. 250 right now.
Yeah.
So B&H, Amazon.
You got it again? $250. You can't beat that. So come on, stop being cheap.
Yeah.
But thank you, sir.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Auto Julia. So I got a channel, so I also do reviews of this kind of stuff.
Well, I would definitely give you guys a copy and upload this up to Instagram as well, too. Okay. But thank you so much. Thank you.
Sure.